Vaquita is the rarest marine mammal in the world and is on the edge of extinction. In fact, it's estimated that only around 10 individuals are remaining. The smallest living species of cetacean is only found in the northern Gulf of California and Mexico. They are known for their distinctive dark rings around their eyes' unique facial structure, sharply downturned mouth, and a distinct bump on their forehead, like many other cetaceans. Can you subscribe? Vaquitas are highly social animals. The vaquita is critically endangered and at high risk of extinction.
Here's a heartbeat, guys. Come on, just give me the oxygen. Come back to me. Come on, Mama.
All efforts to save her failed.
Save the vaquita.